Hey, what's going on, guys? Alpha Trades back here doing another video for you guys, and this is actually going to be a helpful video but also a short video at the same time. I know why you guys are running into a lot of your losing trades, and I am going to share just a tad bit of a tip with you guys, right? It's something that I have inside of my trading plan. It's something that when I was a newbie trader, I was just like you guys out there watching the video, where I didn't realize this one tip, this one trick that would actually change some of the losing trades that I was taking. I'm going to give the tip to you guys, and it's learning when to not trade. And I know for a lot of traders out there, especially the newbies, but this is actually even something that I still today, 7 years into my trading journey, do still, struggle sometime. I was actually doing some trades today. I over leveraged into a position. Luckily, by the hairs on my chinny chin chin, this trade actually turned around for me, and I was able to close the trade out in profit. But it was a trade that I entered that I didn't really pay attention, and I also ignored what is currently in my trading plan. And then to make matters worse, when I reassessed me getting into the position, it turns out that I had a wrong reading on things, and it was actually a trade that I probably shouldn't have entered. But nevertheless, I was able to get this trade closed out, for a small profit. But one thing that definitely was very pivotal for me in my journey, like I said, was learning when to not trade. Like, typically when I am setting up my charts inside of TradingView and I'm trading for the week, for the day, whatever the case may be, I am planning entries, take profits, and where to close trades, where to reverse my positions at well in advance. So like, if you've been subscribed to the channel watching my videos for some time, if you've seen any one of my chart videos, you'll know that there's support and resistance lines, and one main factor that I do also have is the golden pocket levels from the Fibonacci tool. So these golden pockets are a tool that helps me navigate the market. I plot them out on the chart in advance. So now, we actually just had a scenario that I was trading today over on Bitcoin, where we came up to a golden pocket area and I took profit from a trade. Where a lot of newbie traders mess up is that we're inside of the golden pocket. I took profit just due to the fact that this could be an area within the market where we do have a reversal. And speaking of that, I did also open up a short trade today from that golden pocket zone, because it does look like we're going to pull back. I did move my stop loss into profit, so now no matter what happens, even though half of the trade is still open, it is still going to be considered a winning trade for me. But what a lot of newbie traders, I feel, do is that they don't wait for the market to confirm another trade for them. And they have that itch where they just have to always be inside of a trade, so that now, even though we're at this golden pocket, you're looking at things on a lower term time frame, saying to yourself that, hey, you know what? It's possible we could break through this golden pocket and continue to go higher. Now, you've either not took profit or you've closed out the long trade that you were in completely, so that now you're in a position where you don't have a trade open. So you have that itch looking to get back into the market and open a trade up. And that's typically where most traders go wrong, because I already, like I said to you guys previously, have these zones created out in advance. So I already know where I am looking for the market to go to. Like for this example that I was speaking to you guys about with Bitcoin that I was trading today, I have my short position open. I am probably going to take profits on that short trade when Bitcoin comes back down into the next golden pocket zone that I've created in advance. And what I will then also do, should price come back into that area, is kind of teetering on it just a tad bit now, but if we come into that golden pocket zone, I will then launch another long trade off into the market. So it never leaves me in a position where I'm FOMOing into trade. And another area where you guys definitely need to be looking for is areas of consolidation in the market. When you're finding consolidation in the market, inside of my trading plan, I do definitely consider that to be an area where I may not trade. The only way I will trade consolidation or any market moving sideways is going to be if I can clearly define the range that it is going sideways in, and I will easily be able to take longs from the bottom, short the top, whatever the case may be. But typically when you're trading an asset, no matter if it's in crypto, forex, stock options, whatever the case may be, consolidation 9 times out of 10 is the reason why you have traders losing money, just due to the fact of we're not in a clear uptrend, we're not in a clear downtrend. When you're taking a position, either long or short, you're basically saying that, hey, you know what? I am thinking that the market is going to either go up or down, even though it's consolidating. And if you don't have the correct drawing inside of TradingView, where you clearly have this area defined of, okay, market is moving sideways, this is the bottom, this is the top, this is where I long from, this is where I short from. In that consolidation, that sideways movement, that's the move that takes a lot of money from traders guessing whether the market is going to go up or down. So that's also going to be something that you're going to want to consider inside of your trading plan as well. I am going to leave this video here. I want all of you guys out there watching to let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. And also down below this video in the description, you will find a link to my trading course. That way you can get my whole trading plan set up, risk management plan, and everything like that. Trap Sniper University. You could take a free presentation. Link is down below this video in the description. Like always, get subscribed to the channel if this is your first time seeing me on YouTube, and give this video a thumbs up if you guys have found value from it, and I will see you guys in the next one.